celebrating my 40th year in the industry. I started when I was 7 years old and I joined into Miss Philippines. And of course, nag-umpisa po ako sa mga pelikula sa Viva. My first movie with Ate V, imagine mo rin, Buksan ang Puso. And siguro po, in my 40 years, ang pinaka-maipagmamalaki po, aside from the acting awards and recognitions, I was able to work with the best of their generations. Imagine from Ate V, Ate Guy, Kuya Boyet, of course, Inay Maria, and Ate Elty, Christopher De Leon, and until kay Julian, of course, Claudine, up to my sis, Vice, imagine, and hanggang sa mga new breed of actors po ngayon, maraming salamat po sa industriya nito na hanggang ngayon po ay minamahal at niyayakap ako. Maraming salamat po sa Pamas Awards. Thank you so much po. And of course, maraming salamat, Panginoon. Thank you po.
Standing as one of the most iconic actors in the